Hi everyone, welcome back to Data Science in a Pocket. And Google has just launched an open source Python package that is LangExtract. And this is just not another information extraction library, but it is AI powered. And when you see the actual demonstration, you would be blown away. It creates an entire UI for you to see the structure of your data and whatnot. So let's get started. In this short video, I will be explaining you the key features of LangExtract, and we will also do a demonstration on sample problem. So before we jump onto the details, let's see one of the demonstrations that the team has shared around radio reports. Red extract, radiology report structuring demo. So here they have used LangExtract, and I'll be showing what it actually does. So eventually just select one of the reports here. For example, I'm using this abdominal ultrasound. There is the information that we have fed to LangExtract, and here if you see, it is able to structure everything. It is able to extract information about gallbladder, kidneys, that too from a simple text, as you can see here, which is quite great. Here you can see that findings. This is general, this is significant, and this is grounding. There are multiple other reports also. Let's try out this abdominal MRI. Loading LangExtract results. And the underlines are mentioning significant or general or grounding from extraction. So this is an AI powered extraction that has been done in LangExtract. And this can be a game changer for sure, because information extraction is a very important problem across the real world data science solutions. So as you can see, what makes LangExtract effective for information: precise source grounding. Every extracted entity is mapped back to its exact character offset. This is very important. Hence, hallucination chances are less. Reliable structured outputs, optimized long context information, interactive visualization. I'll be showing on HTML also what it generates. Quite interesting. Flexible support for LLM backends. Right now it is supporting Gemini, but you can use any model. That's not an issue. Flexible across domains. Defines information extraction tasks for any domain with a well chosen examples. Utilizes LLM world knowledge also. That's important. It is just not using your text that has been given, but using its knowledge also. Usage is quite simple. Pip install LangExtract. I'll be showing the entire demonstration by running this, and this sort of an HTML can also be generated. So let me show you the demonstration on Google Colab that I was running. So first of all, you need to pip install LangExtract, and here you need to provide your Google AI Studio API key, which is free. LangExtract API key. Once you create that, this is the prompt that we are passing. Extract characters, emotions, relationships in order of appearance. Use exact text for extractions. So this is the prompt that we are providing to LangExtract, and this is the input text, the example data that we are providing, and these are the extractions that we are mentioning. Given this text, sort of a few short example that is getting provided to LangExtract. Now once you start running it on a fresh data set, that is, this is the line: Lady Juliet gazed longingly at the stars, her heart aching for Romeo. And then we are providing the model Gemini 2.5 Pro using the free API key, and here you can see that we are taking 15 seconds to run this. Then the annotation happens, and this is the final output that we have got. If you look this, it's quite interesting. You can play next. Attributes is feeling, class is emotion, attribute is type romantic sorrow, class is relationship. Multiple things it is able to extract. As you can see here, Lady Juliet gazed longingly at the stars, her heart aching for Romeo. So it is able to create an HTML report also from a given small code snippet, and extracts everything given your prompt. So what are you waiting for? This is an open source library that you can use to for information extraction at ease. I hope you try out LangExtract, and this looks to be quite a robust product from Google. Thank you so much.